Hi, I'm Malwarez79. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I welcome you to my channel and I recommend you subscribe so you don't miss any. In this video, I will show you how to easily fix Windows 10 64-bit version KB5034441 update not completing issue. This update automatically applies Safe OS Dynamic Update KB5034232 to the Windows recovery environment WinRE on a running PC to address a security vulnerability that could allow attackers to bypass BitLocker encryption by using WinRE. The tools we're going to use is the live version of Ubuntu distribution that is without installing it. To easily create a boot device with this distro, we will need two fundamental things. The first is a USB stick of at least 8 GB, and the second is the Ventoy tool, which can be downloaded for free from the ventoy.net website. Then we download the Ubuntu ISO directly from the official website ubuntu.com/download. If BitLocker encryption is activated in the partition where your Windows is installed, it must be deactivated. To check this, you must type the following command from the command prompt with administrator rights, manage BIDE, status, and from the result that appears you can check the encryption status. If it is 0%, it means it is not encrypted, and you can skip this step. Otherwise, if it is 100%, you will need to decrypt the entire partition by running the command manage BD off C. Once we have downloaded the Ventoy zip file, we unzip it. Let's insert the USB stick that will need to be formatted. Mine already is, so use one that does not contain important data. Inside the folder, we will find the Ventoy to disk file and launch it. Select the USB key to format from the menu and click on Install, accepting the data loss warning twice. Confirm the successful creation. Check that Secure Boot and the type of MBR partitioning are active in the Ventoy settings in the options for maximum compatibility of use. Ventoy has created two partitions on the stick. The first is boot, the second is used to contain the ISOs to boot. Once Ubuntu has been downloaded onto your PC and copied to the USB stick and the decrypting disk step has terminated, we can proceed with restarting the computer. Now we can boot the PC with the device we have just prepared with Ventoy. Select the Ubuntu ISO and normal mode. We choose the first option, try or install Ubuntu, and wait for it to load. We proceed with the initial wizard, and if it warns us of the presence of the Intel RST device, we will be forced to temporarily disable it because it is not supported by Ubuntu. Otherwise, we can skip this part. Then restart your PC and enter in the BIOS. Now let's look for the part relating to the RST to disable, save the changes, and restart the PC again with the Ventoy device. We repeat the same procedure described previously and return to the Ubuntu wizard. Now we always click on Next and then on Try Ubuntu and wait for the loading to finish. Click on the bottom left to view all the programs, and in the search window write gparted and start it by accepting the requested authentication. Now locate the disk where your Windows is installed, click on the system partition and reduce it by approximately 500 megabytes. Then select the last 509 megabyte partition. Right-click and increase it by all the available space and accept the partition change. Finally, click on Edit to apply all the operations. Confirm and wait for the operation to be completed. Restart the computer, remembering to reactivate Intel RST from the BIOS, otherwise your Windows will almost certainly not restart. Wait for Windows to perform an integrity check on the partition modification you just made. Well, as you can see in disk management, the recovery partition has increased to over 1 gigabyte, and now it is possible to perform the update that previously failed. Once the update is complete, it will not be possible to reactivate system disk encryption unless the PC is restarted. As you can see, update 5034441 has been successfully installed. After restarting Windows, encryption is automatically reactivated, but you can always disable it via the Windows BitLocker application. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel, Malwarez79. See you in the next video. Bye!